The supply hose on the washing machine breaks and begins spraying water everywhere. What do? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about preparing for that unexpected leak right after this.
The kitchen is often the center of entertainment in the home, but it's also one of the main sources of pollutants. That's why it's important to ventilate your kitchen properly. Make sure to use your kitchen range hood every time you cook and to keep the hood on for at least 10 minutes after you've finished cooking. Many Braun range hoods feature an automatic delay timer, which can help you accomplish your ventilation hands-free. You can learn even more at Braun.com. Braun Newtone, bringing fresh ideas home.
When a leak develops in your home, turning the water off quickly is essential to minimize the damage to your home, so do a little planning now while there's no emergency. Look for the nearest shutoff valve upstream of each fixture. In an emergency, close that valve first, turning it clockwise until it's tight. Not sure which way to turn the valve? Remember, left loosens, right tightens. When all else fails, you should know where the main shutoff valve is located for the whole house. This is usually located on the house side of your water meter, typically in the front yard near the street. Remember, little used valves can become stuck with age, so check them out with a turn or two and lubricate them to ensure they'll work smoothly if you need them in an emergency. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.